Hello students, so let's continue with the MCQs. The first MCQ for today is the refractive index of a transparent medium is greater than 1 because you have to choose a correct reason from the given options. You know that if we look at the options, last option is wrong because it's given there frequency of light wave changes when it moves from redder to denser medium. This statement itself is wrong because we know for any wave, frequency is a quantity which is related with its source. Frequency never changes with the medium. So frequency of light wave does not change when it moves from rarer to denser or denser to rarer medium. It remains constant. Now, to choose a correct option, let us recall the expression for refractive index in terms of speed of light in vacuum and speed of light in transparent medium. We know that N is equal to C upon V, where C is speed of light in vacuum and V is speed of light in transparent medium. So, N is C upon V. And we know that C is always greater than V because speed of light in vacuum is always greater than speed of light in any transparent medium. So this ratio will be greater than 1 as numerator is greater than denominator. So as C is greater than V, so N will be greater than 1. So we can see here that C option, where it is written speed of light in vacuum is greater than speed of light in transparent medium, is a correct answer. Now the next MCQ is, a divergent lens will produce 4 options again, both real and virtual image, always real image, always virtual image, none of these. We know that divergent lens, which is a divergent lens? Concave lens. We know that it is a diverging lens and it always produces virtual, erect and diminished images. Whatever may be the object distance. For all object distances, it produces virtual, erect and diminished images. When the object is at infinity, then virtual, erect and highly diminished image. So always virtual image is a correct answer. C is a correct option. Now the next MCQ is, if an object is moved towards a convex lens, the size of its image, again 4 options, decreases, increases, first decreases and increases, remains the same. Now for this, if your concepts are clear, you should be knowing that when the object is at infinity, in case of convex lens, image is formed at focus and it is point size image, highly diminished. When the object is beyond 2f, then diminished image is formed between f and 2f, real inverted diminished image. When the object is at 2f, same size image is formed. And when the object is between f and 2f, magnified real inverted image is formed beyond f. It means when the object is brought closer, from highly diminished, the size becomes diminished and then same size, then enlarged. It means the size of the image, it increases. Okay? And out of these 4 options, we have B is a correct option. Remember, when the object is at focus, image is highly enlarged, okay? And still if it is brought closer, it means object distance is less than focal length, then the image is virtual, erect and magnified. But it is not, highly magnified. It is magnified. But highly magnified is real inverted image when the object is at focus. But anyway, from these options, we can consider if an object is moved towards a convex lens, the size of its image increases. Now a very simple MCQ. The object distance U, image distance V, the object distance U, the image distance V and focal length f for a spherical mirror are related as. We know, students, that mirror formula is the formula which gives the relationship between U, V and f. And mirror formula from these 4 relations is 1 over f is equal to 1 over v plus 1 over u. That is B option, where it is written 1 over v plus 1 over u is equal to 1 over f. Now the next MCQ is, The image formed when an object moves closer to convex lens. It moves. It means the image formed when object moves closer to convex lens moves. Instead of is, it should have been moves. Away from the lens, towards the lens, first towards the lens and then away from the lens, first away and then towards the lens. Now students, you must be knowing that we have already discussed when an object is at infinity, image is formed at focus. When the object is beyond 2f, image is formed between f and 2f. When the object is, at 2f, image is formed at 2f only. When the object is between f and 2f, image is beyond 2f. Okay? So, we can consider that when the object is at infinity, image is formed at focus, and when it is at focus, image is formed at infinity. So the image which is formed when object moves closer to convex lens moves away from the lens. So instead of is in the sentence, it should have been the image formed when object moves closer to convex lens moves away or towards, or third and fourth options are wrong. So it moves away from the lens.